Hi, this is Shakti. In this video, we're going to see how you can improve the WordPress website performance by lazy loading the images, videos, and iframes. Let's talk about what lazy loading actually is. This technique initially delays the loading of images, videos which are not visible on the user screen and only loads them if the user scrolls down. This is the sample website we are going to use for the testing purpose. Go to the WordPress admin dashboard and go to the WordPress plugin section. Click on the add new plugin and search for lazy load. Lazy load by WP Rocket. This is the plugin we are going to use, which was developed by the same plugin developer as WP Rocket Catchy plugin. This is a lightweight and easy to use plugin, and also it's totally free. Click on the install now button and activate the plugin. Now scroll down. As you can see, the plugin has been activated. Click on the settings. Now you can see there are few options here. One for the images, one for the iframes and videos, and you can also replace the YouTube videos by thumbnails, but I'm not going to use that option. I'm going to use the first two options and scroll down, click Save Changes. Now I'm going to open my website on a incognito window to view the changes. As you can see, my site got loaded, but if I scroll down, my image is getting lazy loaded. So this is how you have to lazy load your website to improve the website performance. I hope you found this video useful. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.